Just saying that my name is Mr. John Cooper, the General Manager of the Mega Million Sweepstakes and Letter Company, calling you today pertaining towards the prize what you have won from our company, okay?
Oh, okay.
What consists of a whopping $2.8 million and a 2016 custom-built Mercedes-Benz was supposed to deliver to you today, okay? Do you aware?
I won that?
Yes, you won $2.8 million and a 2016 custom-built Mercedes-Benz from the Mega Million Sweepstakes and Letter Company. What's supposed to deliver to you today, okay?
Oh, how did I win and I didn't play?
Because our company, we go to each and every tax office in the United States. We take 1,000 U.S. citizens' name along with their addresses. We put it in raffles, ma'am, and your name was luckily selected as our lucky first place winner. Okay?
Okay.
So, how do you feel, ma'am, to win yourself $2.8 million and a brand new 2016 custom-built Mercedes-Benz from our company?
Oh, my God. How would you feel? How you think I feel? How would you feel?
Oh, I would feel extraordinary right now, okay? Because today they're granting all the day, okay?
Wow. So how do I get this? What do I need to do?
Only thing you're required to do, ma'am, is have your corporation and your trust. Because our company, we go to each and every tax office every year. We gave away a lottery, okay? And you're selected as our lucky first place winner this year. So it is good to have you in our organization, ma'am. Today is the day that you're going to receive your $2.8 million, okay? But before we go any further, ma'am, we have some federal questions to walk you towards your delivery this afternoon here.
Sure.
We are here pulling out a CTC form for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you married?
Do you married? What kind of English is that? Do you married?
I'm saying, do you married?
What do you mean? Do you married? What do you mean? I don't understand that.
Are you married?
Am I married? I am.
Okay, do you over the age of 65?
Wait a minute. Is this a professional? Do you over the age of 65? That's not proper English. What language do you speak?
I speak English, ma'am.
But I'm not understanding what you just said.
I'm saying that.
Hello?
Are you married, ma'am?
I answered that already.
Okay. Are you over the age of 65?
I am.
Okay. Do you have a valid ID?
Of course I do.
Okay. Do you have driver's license?
I'm sorry, but driver's license is counted as the ID, and I just answered that.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any criminal record?
Why? I'm sorry. Why all these questions?
Because we are here filling out a CTC and form for you, ma'am. We have to do some federal questions towards your delivery this afternoon, okay?
Towards what?
Your delivery this afternoon. Your delivery.
Oh my God! You sound like a scammer because you can't speak. Are you a scammer?
No, ma'am. This is a 100% legitimate company, okay? This is the Mega Million Sweepstakes and Letter Company, okay?
But you can't spell. How can you be such a professional and you can't speak proper English? I don't understand.
Listen, I hired to work at this company 3 months now, okay? And I talk to people like you, and they understand me, so I don't know why you don't.
So listen. So you want to be extradited to America for, like the rest of the people that I saw on TV that got extradited for scamming? Is that that what you want?
Extradited for what? And I'm in
For scamming. No. There's a Jamaica number that came up. Do you want to be extradited like the rest of the crew?
Listen, we use that same rate as Jamaica. We are in San Diego, California, okay? Because Jamaica rate is a cheaper rate, okay?
Okay.
And this company is a legitimate company, so
Is it what company?
This is the Mega Million.
No. You just said this company is a what?
This company is a legit company.
Legit?
Yes.
I thought you said legitimate.
Listen, you don't want your prize or what, ma'am?
I don't want to be scammed. That's the whole thing. I don't want nobody scam me.
Listen, I'm gonna make the adapters call you, okay?
Sounds good to me. All right. Bye.
Yes, so this is a live recording, audio recording of a scammer trying to scam my wife. Even though 8 of them were extradited just 2 weeks, less than a month ago, this idiot calls my wife and trying to scam her.
And verify to claim your package. I am the coordinator of the company, so I'm just informing you that you are a lucky winner from the Publishers Clearinghouse sweepstakes.
So what have I won?
Well, it's a certified cashier check, and I don't know is how much. All I know is a certified cashier check that's made out in your name. When I gave you this number, you will call and you will get information, how much you won, and how you're going to receive it. Someone will explain to you. I am only your coordinator for your delivery, okay?
Okay.
So get a pen and a paper so I can provide you with a company number.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes. You can hold the line here for me. Let me get you hold the line. Yes, let me repeat the number. It's 1876. You got 1876?
Yes.
And then 856.
Yes.
6319.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do? Call that number?
Yes, call that number and you will call at the verification center and you will ask for John Fisher. John Fisher is the agent of the company and he will give you some further information how you can have your award claimed. Congratulations, Publishers Clearinghouse. So you need to call that number now and someone will assist you, right?
And what is your name?
My name is John Fisher.
So you're John Fisher?
Yes, John Fisher, and you're going to ask for Mark Anderson. You're going to ask for Mark Anderson. You can ask for Bruce Golden. They will transfer you on my line. Okay, but you're going to ask for Bruce Golden. Write his name down.
You mean like the Prime Minister, Bruce Golden?
Fool, I go.